let me show you how to make this multi-purpose green marinade. And you can use this to season your proteins, use it in your stews or soup, and many more. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So these are the things I used. Here I have some spring onions, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, green chili, parsley. I have seasoning and then oil, which I will be using it to blend the ingredients instead of water. So in a blender, I will transfer all the ingredients in it, and then I will add the oil. So the oil will help to preserve the marinade for a very long time. So I am going to blend this into a fine puree, and then I will be back. And please, if you're still with me till now and you haven't subscribed, please do so before you forget, okay? And give this video a big like for me. So I am going to blend it into my preferred consistency, and I will transfer it into an airtight container. Make sure your container is airtight, okay? Just give this marinade a try and you will love this, especially if you are grilling fish and chicken. Guys, I suggest try this recipe. Don't just sleep on it, okay? So this is it, so nice and yummy. So if you want to preserve it for a very long time without putting it in the refrigerator, just drizzle some oil on top of this, and this can last on your counter for at least a week and for as long as you want in the freezer. So I am going to cover it tightly, and then I will put this in my refrigerator. And you can also put them in an ice cubes tray or a silicone mold and freeze this, and you are going to use this for a long time. Just freeze it, and whenever you are making something, you just remove one or two, and then you are good to go. Just see how it is, and don't forget to give this a try and let me know the feedback in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.